Last few days, infrastructure stocks have staged a good revival, not quite by as much as the metal and bank stocks and real estate stocks, but we have seen very strong up moves in many of the leading infrastructure stocks. Ravi Kumar of BHEL, chairman of BHEL, is with us right now. It has been perhaps the standout performer in the infrastructure stock space. Mr. Ravi Kumar, good morning. Thanks for joining in. Last we spoke to you a few weeks back, you were confident of delivering solid sales growth of nearly 30% for this year. What sense can you give us of whether your new order intake is slowing down as you go into fiscal year 2010, or that still remains at the robust clip that has been for 2009?
This year we closed with a order book of about 1,20,000 crores. That is outstanding orders. And during the year we got about 60,000 crores worth of orders. About 45,000 crores from power sector, 3,000 crores from spares and services, 10,000 crores from industry sector, and about 3,000 crores from international operations. So it's about 60,000 crores we have booked the order. So if you see, next year we have given a projection of 50,000 crores, and definitely, we are on track to get 50,000 crores. We have already booked some, we have finished negotiations for certain orders in the last 6 days. So I think we should be able to go through the year with 50,000 crore order book.
How much of this 50,000 crores would be from NTPC, and are you seeing any signs of a slowdown at NTPC, which is one of your larger clients?
NTPC, we have just negotiated an order in the last 6 days. One order for 500 megawatt we have negotiated. And the bulk ordering we are expecting during the financial year. So I think, and 2 orders from Muzaffarpur we are expecting. So with that, I am quite sure that NTPC orders will continue to flow in, and total orders we are expecting from power sector is around 35,000 crores.
Mr. Ravi Kumar, morning. You've guided as well to about 25% growth in profits in FY10, that against a single-digit percentage performance for FY09. Can you just walk us through what's going to contribute to this big jump in your bottom line?
See, as you know, in the last year we have provided about 1,800 crores. To be precise, we have provided about 1,770 crores towards wage revision and also the one-time gratuity arrears from 3.5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. And also the DA merger which they announced in the last 2-3 days of the financial year, we have provided in our balance sheet. So if you take out that, the growth is in line with the sales. And one-time refund we got, year before last. And last year, if you take that out, the growth is coming to about 29% profit after tax, which is in line with the sales actually. So no such provision is necessary in the next financial year. So to that extent, there will be at least, I feel, in the wages will come down by 100 to 150 basis points. It should come down. But there is a material content also. We are expecting, if the current levels are there, it should come down by at least 200 basis points. But the composition of the order is slightly changing. So we are getting more construction orders where the margin is not very high. So EPC contracts, the construction and balance of plant margins are not very high. So if you take all into account, I feel, in growth, about 20% sales growth should result in 25% profit growth. And if we can really grow at 25%, then the profit growth will be about 30%.
There have been some concerns, those about competition you may be facing from some of your Chinese counterparts in areas like the subcritical boiler space, etc. How would you respond to those concerns?
As far as subcritical is concerned, I think the competition is almost not there that much, basically because, there was a problem of sizes, we are doing 250 and 500 megawatt sizes. There was sudden requirement of 300 and 600 megawatt sizes. It is more of Chinese design actually. So what we have done is now we have come out with a 600 megawatt module, and recently we have bagged orders of about 8 numbers of 600 megawatt modules. So the dollar has also appreciated with respect to rupee. Rupee has depreciated with respect to dollar. That is also helping us. I think we have survived the Chinese competition in the subcritical segment, and I do not think, unless they dump the prices, I don't think there will be not much competition we are expecting from Chinese in the next financial year, in this financial year.
If I heard you correctly, Mr. Ravi Kumar, you were saying that if things go well, you could actually outdo your 20% sales guidance by a bit, maybe go off, stretch it to 25%. And if that is delivered, then on the 62 rupees earnings per share that you have delivered this year, Do you think there's a reasonable chance of BHEL delivering 80 rupees plus next year?
Yeah, if we can do 25% growth in sales, definitely 80 rupees EPS is possible. But, what is really we have projected is only 20% as of today. But as the quarters go by, if the sales improve by really, it is on a higher base, so it's always difficult. And the new capacity is getting added only by December. But of course, progressively they are coming in. To that extent, there will be some advantage. But definitely, if the trend continues in the third and fourth quarters, we can go to 25% level, but company has projected as of today 20% growth in sales and 25% growth in profits. But if really things go well, we should land up at 25 and 30% respectively.
Good luck, Mr. Ravi Kumar. Thanks very much for stopping by today. That's BHEL saying their official guidance is 20% sales growth and 25% profit growth for next year. But they believe that that could be stretched to 25% sales growth and maybe 80 rupees plus, or well over 80 rupees, 30% profit growth for next year. That stock at 1484 is corrected a little bit, but it has been one of the standout performers in the market.